Hello and welcome to the Scholars Academy. Here students can get a jump start on their future as well as enjoy a wide selection of programs that appeal to the interests of all students who attend Scholars. The Scholars Academy offers a wide variety of Regents courses even before a student reaches high school. This allows for a student in their senior year to obtain numerous college credits before they even receive their high school diploma. A key component in the process that makes the learning system at Scholars so advanced is the use of group work. Students become much more familiar with each other, and this promotes a friendly learning environment and encourages new friendships with students they may have otherwise have never been introduced to. Another one of the many things that stands out in this school is that the ideas of students are heavily considered by the staff. In fact, our B Division champion girls volleyball and basketball teams were founded by students who suggested the formation of a team. This is the case with several sports and clubs in the school. The Scholars Academy is a great school to attend and prepare for the future in any college or work environment. It will appeal to the unique taste of every student who attends.
The students at Scholars Academy were excited Tuesday is probably an understatement. In an elaborate ceremony, the school officially unveiled its program to give every 6th grader a Kindle e-reader and every 7th grader an iPad for the school year.
Ask not what technology can do for you. Think about what you will do with technology.
The iPads help them learn in 1,000 different ways. If they have a question about something, they can look up the answer, which is great, instead of having me provide it to them, which is really hard to do with paper because it's a lot of planning, it's a lot of handing stuff out. So when you have the iPads, it's all there online for them. They can access it anytime. They can get stuff at home. They can get stuff in school. So it's a really great tool for them to learn and really grow.
The Scholars Academy has multiple performing groups. We have a high school band, a middle school band, a 6th grade band, middle school chorus, 6th grade chorus, and a high school chorus, which all have performances throughout the year. We also offer a music theory track for our high school students. It encompasses music theory, music history, and music composition. And then we also have electives for our high school students. They include music of India, electronic music, guitar and percussion, and then we have regular classroom music for the middle school students.
I've always been really interested into music, so the music track has really brought music into my life in school as well as out of school. Before this year, we only had band, which was music once a day in the mornings. Prior to school, I had to come early actually. Now, not only do I have music 3 times a day on Mondays and Tuesdays, I have music history, I have music theory. It really brings everything together.
I joined the Music in India track because I was always interested in music. And now that my school offers a program that actually allows me to do so, I had to take the opportunity.
Sir, do you want me to show you how I paint my sea wolf?
Sure, Kyle. Inspire me.
Okay, here I go. What do you think?
That's great, Kyle.
I decided to join art because I wanted to learn how to give value to my drawings. Like before this, they were just flat, but now I can give them life, and they can look like they aren't just like flat things on paper. They can look like you can reach into them and touch them. And I'm grateful that I was able to learn this class, and I'm able to learn like so many ways of shading and like the values of light and dark.
In the media track, in the 10th year, students are introduced to studio production. They learn techniques and strategies in studio production. They learn a little bit about lighting, multi-camera shoots, how to use a switcher, how to use graphics, incorporate graphics. And then as seniors and juniors, they work on independent productions where they will take their field productions and they will incorporate them into the studio, or work on community documentaries, invite people into the studio to interview them. Students will also videotape a variety of other school activities like the PTA meetings, basketball games, the morning messages, and a variety of other activities.